vBind gets a real upgrade for class and style. Instead of one plain string, Vue lets you bind an object or array that toggles classes and inline styles based on real conditions. In this video, you'll build a status badge that changes appearance live. isActive is a real boolean that will genuinely control a class below. The active class is added only while isActive is truthy, a real, live toggle. Array syntax combines a static class with two dynamically computed ones, all genuinely applied together. Style binds a real object, color comes straight from the statusColor ref, genuinely updating with it. A ternary right inside the style object picks a real background color based on live state. A hard-coded class never reflects your app's actual state. Bound classes and styles genuinely toggle and update as the underlying reactive values change, no manual DOM manipulation required. Class with an object toggles each class on or off based on a truthy-falsy expression. Class with an array combines several class expressions, static or dynamic, together. Style binds a real object of CSS properties, each one its own JavaScript expression. Build a status badge whose class toggles between online and offline based on a boolean ref. Next, deriving new values from your data automatically with computed properties.